Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to log in Zoho Mail to Gmail. So what you're going to do, you're going to go to the settings here in Zoho, then you're going to scroll down until you see mail accounts, then you're going to go to IMAP, then you're going to make sure that the IMAP access is allowed, and once you've done that, you're going to go to your profile, click on my account, then go to security, click on app passwords, click on generate new password, then you're going to input Gmail in the app name, then click on generate. Then you're going to copy the password. Now you're going to go to Gmail, then you're going to click on the settings, click on see all settings, then click on accounts and import over here at the top, then click on add an email account. Then you're going to input your email address in Zoho, then click on next, then click on next again. Then you're going to input the password that you copied, then click on add account, and after that, you should be able to log in your Zoho to Gmail. So that's it. Thanks for watching.